Cognos brings reporting, dashboards, AI-powered analytics, and enterprise BI into one platform. In this video, you'll learn how to build a crosstab report to turn complex data into actionable insights. To begin, we open the hamburger menu on the top left corner. By clicking on Report, the journey begins toward creating meaningful insights. Users can choose from a variety of templates and themes to create reports that match their specific business and presentation needs. From the vast library of curated samples available, covering everything from retail trends to healthcare metrics, we're selecting the banking loss events package. Whether you're diving into global finance or local sales, Cognos handles any data source you choose with unmatched precision and scale. From this screen, selecting the Crosstab option helps create the report design in a structured crosstab format. Now we move into the reporting workspace, where Cognos simplifies report creation using an easy drag-and-drop interface designed for both beginners and advanced analysts. To improve readability, we select Risk category, navigate to the Sort option, and choose Ascending Order. Next, we align the year values to create a cleaner and more polished presentation. Built-in formatting tools allow users to create visually appealing reports with ease. Now we switch from page design to page preview to review the structure and appearance of the final report before execution. With just one click, Cognos Analytics generates a professional and interactive crosstab report ready for business analysis. The report is ready. Built-in navigation and interactive reporting features make it easier for users to explore and consume information at scale. Thank you for watching.